We all know it's important to listen. We learn this at school, and our parents tell us all the time. This is Mr. Ketchup. Let's see if Mr. Ketchup listens. Mr. Ketchup, could you please go down for me? Whoa. He listened. Go up, Mr. Ketchup. Stop. Go up. Back down. Stop. Back down. And back up. Did you see that Mr. Ketchup listened? And if he listened to me, how important is it for us to listen to God, the creator of everything? Because surely he deserves it. So the next time you read your Bible and you hear God say something to you, remember Mr. Ketchup and listen and do what he says.